everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skate Park check-in across N.Y.C. I'm your host, Vincent, and like always, Anthony Biondo behind the lens. Today we arrived at the REDHOOK skate park, brand new skate park right here in REDHOOK, Brooklyn. I believe it's called the Ickes Skatepark, episode 49. This is brand new. Mass Pip is brand new. Gateway is brand new. Ocean Hill is brand new. There's a lot of brand new parks popping up all over New York City. Today I brought Sonny Brown, Matt WEITMAN, and Willy Rivera. And hopefully ASHTON and HILLIKER will be here. Before I continue talking, I just want to say, I know you're watching the video. Don't forget to hit that button. Subscribe to the channel, and I'm not even gonna continue any further until you do that. It should be done. Thank you. I do this for you guys. We out here showing you guys the park. Today we rolled up and there's an event going on, the REDHOOK Rampage. I just wanted to shout out to all the sponsors that are here. Shout out to Empire Skate, N.Y.C for having this event. A special shout out to Thumbs N.Y.C. Shout out to Harold Hunter Foundation. Red Bull, Thunder Trucks, Spitfire, Bon Bon Candy Shop, Countdown, Mike's Hot Honey, FP Insoles, The Killing Floor. Shout out to those guys for hosting the event. Let's go in the park, you know, I said enough. Let's go inside. Welcome inside the REDHOOK skate park. The whole wall of quarter pipe. This is where all the training section is. And I think there's a middle section. It's like a bowl. I guess you could call it the nipple, speed hump, speed bump. What is the actual terminology for this? Does anyone know? Someone comment and let me know. Next time I could just come in and be like, this is that, and there it is. It's not really appropriate. I guess you got this nice speed bump right here. A nice little manual ped area with little kickers on both sides. Square ledge here. And then on top, you have a little bit of a curved ledge. Directly across, nice stamped brick, perfect little manual pad. What's unique about this manual pad is this built-in rail right here. Nice little touch. Nice little hip section right here. 3-tier ledge, built-in rails. Looks like another ledge on the top. You guys got a lot of stuff here at REDHOOK. On the top of this section is this pole jam, Euro gap, 2 kickers, 2 banks, whatever you want to call it. And the smallest quarter transition right here is a nice curved ledge into a little Euro bank. And connected right to it is a hubba, 6 there, with the handrail connected to it, and on the opposite side you have transition. Now we're in the center of the park and they've dedicated it for transition. So it's bowl-like, and then right here is a nice block. Transfer out, do your thing, go back in. Sky is the limit. I'm just showing you the skate park. That's it. I did my job, and I think it's time to get some clips, man. What do you think, Ant? Let's get some clips. Let's go do that. Been there. With the pizza. I keep going on my fingers because I'll give you the ground report. It's a brand new park. What do you think? The ground report here. Smooth, yeah. So,
if you're outside the park right now and you're watching it, I want you to say yeah. Yeah. Aha! Once again, Red Hook Rampage.
beaming at me. All right, everyone, thank you for watching the Red Hook Skate Park, Harold Ickes Skate Park. Starting to rain right now. The guys are shot. Showed you the park. On with the next one. Shout out to Willy, Rivera.
Hell yeah, bro.
Shout out to Matt Whiteman.
Matty Whites.
Shout out to Justin. Shout out to Trevor. Shane McGrain. Thank you, Billy and Paco. Thank you, Ashton. Shout out to Brandon and Nico. Gwen was here. Leo. Everybody. Leo, yeah. Shout out to like everybody. Thank you to the Brooklyn community for coming out. If you were here, shout out to you guys, you know? Is there like anyone that I forgot? And like, come on, let's think of it. Shout out to Amir. Shout out to Christian. Shout out to Tyler and Matt from Empire Skate N.Y.C. for throwing a Red Hook Rampage today. Safe to say that everybody had a blast, positive vibes from everybody out here, and it's what we like to see. Overall, we all got a couple clips, and you know, we had a day of skateboarding.
Do the spiel.
Oh yeah, guys, the spiel. You know the spiel. Do I really have to say it? Thank you for watching. If you like the merch, Check our website out, www.radboardsport.co.
How do they follow us on Instagram?
Oh, yeah. Follow us on Instagram. Does it even matter anymore, Anthony? What am I even doing? Is anyone even listening to me? Until next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget to ride all day. Been giving you this content. Y'all been receiving it, taking it. So y'all not hitting that button. And it's free. So I appreciate you guys that have. And if Ant lets me, I'll stand here and talk for the rest of the night.